Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use X Twitter list to see without algorithm. To use this feature, you simply have to open the X application on your device. Then tap on your profile icon located on the top left. From there, head to this list option. Now from here you should be able to search for a list by simply tapping on this search bar, or just select any of this from the given list or the suggested list below. Or what you can simply do is tap on this plus icon, then give your list a name. Now once you name your list, go ahead and type in your description, and you can also choose to make it private over here, or just simply tap on it to make it private. And once you do so, go ahead and tap on this create option and the list will be created. And you can add a lot of people that you specifically want to add to this list simply by tapping this search button and tapping this add option right next to their name. Once you do so, go ahead and tap this next or done option, and you will be able to view this list only by yourself. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.